Vertical farming is an agricultural miracle, but it hides a massive, expensive secret. Running thousands of LED lights and industrial climate control 24/7 requires an insane amount of electricity. Welcome to Agri-Evolve. Today, we're looking at how engineers are slashing those costs using the world's most unlikely material. Desert sand. Yes, plain, low-grade sand is currently revolutionizing the economics of indoor agriculture. The secret lies in thermodynamics. Sand has an incredibly high specific heat capacity, making it a perfect thermal sponge. Enter the sand battery. It is a heavily insulated silo packed entirely with standard builder's sand. During the day, vertical farms generate massive amounts of excess renewable energy from their solar arrays. Instead of losing that power, resistive heating elements convert it to heat, pushing the sand up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Because sand is such a brilliant insulator, it can trap that extreme thermal energy for months with almost zero loss. Now, back to the farm. The biggest energy drain isn't actually the lights, it is the HVAC heating and cooling. Keeping thousands of delicate plants at the absolute perfect temperature requires constant, heavy-duty climate control. Instead of pulling expensive electricity from the grid at night, engineers run an automated heat exchanger through the sand battery. The stored heat is discharged to warm the water and air circulating through the farm, completely bypassing the electrical grid. The result? The operating costs of the vertical farm plummet, finally making hyper-local food financially competitive. This is a massive breakthrough for arid regions. Places with abundant sun and sand, but zero arable land. As agricultural engineers, we are learning that the most advanced tech often relies on the most basic natural resources. We aren't just fighting the desert anymore. We are literally using the desert to power the oasis. Resource engineering is how we take sustainable farming from an expensive experiment to a global standard. If you want to understand the thermodynamics behind the future of our food supply, join the revolution. I'm Nakul. Subscribe to Agri-Evolve for more deep dives into ag tech. Keep evolving.